up here moving some firewood at the log landing, and we had a little bit of an issue. Right there, those teeth that are supposed to be on the outside of the running gears, oh, walked right on the inside of a couple of them. What a pain. That's what it's supposed to look like. See how those fingers there on the outside of that big gear, that big idler. And they are not here. Even if we look at it from the back, it looks a little crooked. I don't really know what to do about that. Oh, it was going a little crooked on the top one, on that one. So I tried driving forward, that didn't help. That didn't help at all. So I don't know if I should try going backwards maybe. I'll give that a whirl. It'd be nice if I had another set.
So I kind of slid down the little embankment there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's at an angle. Slid down and hit a stump. And then after I hit the stump, I knocked the teeth off the top final drive gear, whatever you want to call that one. And I tried righting it, and it looks like I walked him off the bottom. So now I'm just going to attempt to rock the machine back and forth until we get something to happen. I was quite a ways away from home, so I was really hoping to be able to fix it without having to go get help.
Backing it up a little bit more. What I really need is someone to pry on. Back in business. Whew. I was a little nervous that we were going to be straight.